Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year and welcome to 2022. How's your day? I hope you're okay. I'm making this video to make a good message about life and how to deal with it. I hope you enjoy this makeup therapy and see the art of makeup. Hi, hello, beautiful people. How's your day today? Are you feeling great? You know, this 2022, I came of a thought of the things that I need to do of making my heart warm. You know how cruel life can be if you're surrounded by toxicity and negativity. The main thing to remember is to protect your soul. Be watchful and mindful of the way those who drag us down can impact our life and our values. There are ways to have a heart warm without harming us. And I thought of advices that will keep your heart warm. And these advices I've learned from a famous man, Andre Robin de Shields. He is an American actor, singer, dancer, director, and choreographer. And you know what? A heart filled with gratitude and slowing down to take in the beauty all around us. These are the things that bring true joy. Not feeling it? I hope this video will help. So here it goes. In this video, I'll be having a makeup therapy and life lesson talk. Chill there and please keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. Lately, I've been enjoying watching TikTok videos and I see a certain video there that give an advices on how to keep your heart warm. And you know what? This advices, it gives a different impact to me. I'm asking a question. Who's in their 30s there? Me, I'm in my 30s. I'm turning 32 this year. And you know what? I'm being mindful of the things in my life right now. I want to be serious in life. I want to achieve something. And every one of us wants a peaceful life. I see there this advice. The first rule is surround yourself with people whose eyes light up when they see you coming. Guys, evil eyes are the scary ones, so avoid those. This rule means there's someone there who's always got your back, who's always being the wind beneath your wings. I believe we need to avoid negative energy in our surroundings. Sometimes we need to make our own boundaries and walk away without explaining to those who are not willing to listen. We have to stand up, chin up, and be confident whatever people throws behind you. Why we need to be affected if we can be effective? Walk without hesitations, act without being bothered, and kill them with kindness. The second rule is slowly. Being slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. Now that I'm in my 30s, sometimes it bothers me. What is my real purpose? What is something I need to pursue at my age? Is it late for me to achieve that desire? I realize yes, it's not late for me to achieve those goals. Life is not a race nor a competition. Don't compare yourself with others. We are all unique. Don't need to explain why you're still in that status because you are trying to do a little steps. It's better to have a little steps in action rather having nothing to do. Don't pressure ourselves to go on a faster way. Some says slowly but surely. And the last rule, the top of one mountain is the bottom of the next. so keep climbing. The personal success is not about the accumulation of things as much as it is the deeds that you have done to achieve the heights to which you can ascend. It is a never-ending story, by the way, until you decide to end it. Everything you are doing today is preparing you for tomorrow, and tomorrow is preparing for next year. The moment you reach the mountain, you see that there is another mountain that you can climb. That is the beauty of it. The journey never ends until you end it. One thing is for sure, when you reach that mountain, you don't want to go back. This is pretty common advice simply because life is not just one single obstacle, but a series of challenges. The hope is that we learn and evolve with each ascent. The method of operation is to survive, to develop, and to transform. This is why we must continue to enhance our perceptions of life and living. On top of these lessons, the best part of life cannot be bought. Achievements are important, but when all is said and done, your success might not hold a candle to friends, family, and love. Life moves fast, so don't forget to slow down to cherish what surrounds you. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you've learned something today. Please like this video if you like, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this video who needs life advice. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Good luck!